Not all DJI drones are built the same, and choosing the wrong one can cost you both money and missed shots. Watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best DJI drones of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or professional filmmaker, this list is carefully researched to help you pick the right drone without confusion. I'll cover camera quality, flight performance, features, and real-world usability. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a first-person view drone designed for immersive flying and cinematic action shots. It features a 4K camera, ultra-wide 155-degree field of view, and built-in propeller guards, making it ideal for dynamic indoor and outdoor. Review highlights. This drone delivers an incredibly immersive flying experience, especially when paired with DJI goggles. It's perfect for capturing fast-paced footage and unique perspectives that traditional drones can't achieve. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, 4K ultra-wide camera, built-in propeller protection, one-push acrobatics, great for cinematic action shots. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship professional drone built for serious creators and filmmakers. It features a powerful tri-camera system with a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, delivering stunning image quality and professional-grade video. Review highlights. This drone with up to 51 minutes of flight time and long-range transmission is designed for high-end production work, offering unmatched detail and flexibility. Pros: 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera system, professional-grade video quality, up to 51 minutes of flight time, long-range 30-kilometer transmission, best for professional creators. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight and beginner-friendly drone that offers excellent value for everyday users. It features a 4K camera, vertical shooting mode, and extended flight time, all in a compact design under 249 grams. Review highlights. This drone is perfect for travelers and beginners, offering reliable performance, easy controls, and solid camera quality at an affordable level. Pros: under 249 grams lightweight design, 4K video recording, long battery life, vertical shooting for social media, and easy to use for beginners. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most advanced compact drones available today. It features 4K HDR video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and active track 360, making it incredibly safe and easy to fly, even for beginners. Review highlights. This drone strikes a perfect balance between portability and advanced features, making it ideal for content creators who want pro-level results without carrying a large drone. Pros: 4K HDR video quality, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced tracking features, under 249 grams travel-friendly design, excellent all-around performance. Number 1. Taking the top spot is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the most advanced mini drone DJI has released. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K video, and advanced AI features like Active Track 360, delivering stunning image quality and intelligent flight capabilities. Review highlights. The Mini 5 Pro stands out for combining professional-level camera performance with ultra portability, making it perfect for both beginners and serious creators. Pros: 1-inch CMOS sensor for superior image quality, advanced AI tracking features, excellent obstacle sensing system, lightweight and travel-friendly, best balance of power and portability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight performance, safety features, and overall value, the DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out as the best DJI drone in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.